Okay, so what you're seeing here is three big clamps clamping my tyre to one side because the dust cap on the tyre valve has welded itself on, and in trying to get the cap off I've actually pierced the valve itself and obviously got a puncture, so I've now cut that off, and instead of going through the rigmarole taking the whole wheel and everything off, I saw this on another YouTube video and I thought, do you know what, let's give that a go. So I've got my clamps out, I've clamped it to one side, the tyre, and now I'm going to cut the rest of this old valve out and put a new valve in. Hopefully this will be successful and I won't have to actually strip the whole bike down, but I'll find that out in a minute. Right, so I'll get on with cutting that out. That's the rest of that out. Now to apply a bit of tyre soap to my new one and shove that in. Okay, so I've put tyre soap on the new one. I'll put that in as much as I can and then get my trusty, well I say trusty, I've never used it.
Make sure fleas don't with our Pets at Home subscription service. Get monthly tailored flea treatments straight through your letterbox, all from just £4 a month plus free delivery. Sign up in store or at petsathome.com. Subscription renews unless cancelled. T's and C's apply.
When you use the brand new product site, good things happen. What, like increasingly trusted to get a house on my dream street with a kind of matchmaking service? Boom.
Or booking a house viewing anytime, 24/7.
Finding that buyer that's not
Quite a reassuring clunk when it gets home. Now I'll see if I can actually undo the tyre tool. There it is. One replaced valve. So clamps off, air in, see if it actually works. And this time a plastic cap, not that dodgy alley one. Okay, there wasn't the reassuring pop when the tyre reseated, but it's definitely on there. This is up to 70 pounds of pressure at the moment and it needs 42. I've done the spit test around the bottom of the valve, just put a load of spit around it and there's absolutely no bubbles coming out, so yes, the trick has worked. No dismantling the whole tyre and dismantling it off the bike. I'm quite pleased with that. Hope that's helped. Ta-ra.